What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a good weekend. And welcome to this new video, an update on Space ID and the ID token. Binance Launchpad project of, well, when was it? Last week or 2 weeks ago? A little bit over a week ago. Has been since then pretty stable, to be honest. As you can see, I actually think this is one of the most beautiful charts right now. You can clearly see this uptrend. We've been respecting it very, very much. And now we're at a crucial moment where we are either going to get a huge bullish breakout or we're going to drop back down towards our levels around 44 and 45 cents. So I needed to do an update on that. Was also requested. So in this video, I'll just give you my full thoughts on it for today, but also for the upcoming days. Just basically what you can expect, all different scenarios, but also what I think is most likely. So that's what we'll do right now. I mean, as I said, the market structure right now is very beautiful. We have this beautiful uptrend, and we're struggling mostly, I think. So this is kind of the structure, and we're struggling mostly with 51 cents. I thought initially 50 cents would actually be the level to break, but I think it's now more around 51 cents to really get that bullish confirmation. Alright, so before we get into more with Space ID, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Space ID, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results if you're interested in that. So I already said in the like the chat room of the Signal group, I think like yesterday or the day before, that I thought ID would rally a little bit, because what you see right now, and I'm actually not sure if that's still the case, but what you used to see is that with ID there was a lot of open interest. So right now, well, we'll just look it up. As you can see right now, the open interest has changed, gone up quite a bit, but in terms of the volume, it's quite a lot. And if you go to ID right here, you can see that the open interest has grown significantly. Also today, but also before that. I mean, basically ever since Thursday, it has grown quite a bit. So that means that a lot of money is open right now in positions. And that means that there is to be expected quite a lot of volatility. Now, I'm not sure yet whether that volatility is going to be bullish or bearish. That's the big question. That's also the question I'm stuck with. Because Bitcoin right now, I mean, Bitcoin is still bullish, but it's far from breaking out. I mean, the volume today has dropped down quite dramatically. And it's struggling now with breaking above 28,500 again. So I'm not too sure about the momentum in the market. I mean, purely technically, I would have to say that I expect Space ID to break out. It also is kind of in line with what most Launchpad projects do. So I think the most likely scenario is that we will break out above 51 cents and rally at least up to this level around 57 and 58 cents. But who knows how far we can go from there. We can definitely go higher, especially with that open interest being this high. Now, I have to say, though, that if we are not able to do this, like I would give us one more chance. If from here we will drop down to our support levels, which the main support level is around between 47 and 48 cents. I would give us one more chance to actually break above that. And if we do not break above that then and do something like this, I would say it's probably not going to happen, and then we'll drop down. And because of the open interest being this high, if we drop down, it's going to be quite a big drop as well. So altogether, stay careful, or be careful with the volatility. It looks good technically, fundamentally. It also looks, well, good, not great, but good. But yeah, be careful, do your research, monitor it closely, and this is my take, at least, on Space ID for today and this weekend. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.